Backup media should be clearly indicated with the word backup written on the label. There are immense benefits that arise as a result of computerization. These include speedy access and retrieval of information, ability to manipulate data, greater accuracy and consistency in performance of routine tasks, great capacity for storage of information, which brings huge space and equipment savings, sharing and simultaneous access to information, automatic updating of file classification scheme and indexes, and controlling the movement of files. Records management functions that can be automated. Records management functions which can be automated include classification and listing of files, correspondence management, preparation of file labels, identification of records that are due for transfer to the archives or disposal, location and tracking file movements, information about authorized users of records, and production of management information reports. It is important to carry out a thorough analysis of the tasks to be automated, such as file classification systems, indexing, file movement tracking, and scheduling and disposal. These functions must be built into the computer system. For the computer to execute the given commands, it will be important to define the fields, field lengths, and ensure that the field will accept the types of data to be entered. Some of the fields in a records management database include file title, file code or reference number, date of request for file, name or location of requesting user, date of file production, name and location of user to whom the file is transferred, date of reminder if overdue for return, and date of file S return. Document imaging. Document imaging is an automated system for scanning, storing, retrieving, and managing images of paper records in an electronic or microfilm format. In an electronic imaging, a paper document is scanned into a computer file with an aid of scanner, thus creating an electronic image of the document. Scanned files are usually large, consequently, large storage devices is recommended. In microfiling, a film or a paper containing micro-reproductions of documents for transmission, storage, reading, and printing. All microform images may be provided as positives or negatives, more often the latter. 3 formats of microfilm are common. Microfilm reels. Aperture cards. An aperture card is a type of punched card with a cutout window into which a chip of microfilm is mounted. Such a card is used for archiving or for making multiple inexpensive copies of a document for ease of distribution. Microfiche, flat sheets. Computerizing. What is computerization? Computerization involves a set of tasks carried out to the aim of managing and controlling library operations using computer resources. Why computerize? Computerization makes it possible to keep an up-to-date inventory of the collection, avoid redundant titles, facilitate the removal process, determine the weaknesses of the record's holdings,